I was it.
Minia.
Galamsey in Achimoda.
Enti me who story no.
Okay.
Na ayame nwanwa kakra. Esan say na say me hu no say me MC press conference bi and social media e ka say watch excavators bi. Enti no asobia me di Galamsey nechi no.
Watch excavators.
I watch it. Or grant interview. I think I have copies of that interview.
Okay.
Tell my started say me di actually. Me police nya aware of the excavators.
Yeah, MC actually. Oh how?
Yes. In fact, reporter me nya and say sa excavators I all come one seven no. A night a park police station. They actually near to a few.
Hey.
And
Achimoda.
you see, Senia Galamsey adieno. A2 at the Senedi and Yano. President Enyabre. The Casamun Yano, a yadia, a border by the chi, a yadia did not buy no a baffum.
Okay.
Enti wubia uwo position that was to be boa. Na u fight no. I was to be a juma. Ye will be Casaya ne before say a politics. Share me your deputy ranking for local government committee.
Yeah.
Now saying ye did MCs share no. Esa kwenyako water plant na yatu munti. MCs do na no use so musika in conjunction with their MPs any two boreholes. Because it's your system no aye bad.
Yeah.
It is a omanya ne sa no ebe hadwene. E ho na me yem sheme. Say sebe say oda other plant no a supply is you for Ghana water no. Any say you ne nia ye ko na tacha be mu no. So mo so if you say so mo shate ne dan wa. MP when ya hwe ama nkofo nko ade. So mo nya nsuo a it will be your responsibility.
Yeah.
Eti no se ne be kasa na ye nyina de ani abre ni etusu sa. O se etimi ye.
But a small car, yeah, there be a chima you can say. Some years back, na Galamsey ni Achimoda. But 10 months down the line, yeah, Galamsey Achimoda. So does it mean near your mind in Achimoda, but near Galamsey? And ye ba ye, ya betu gumi say, yeah, Galamsey ana.
Sometime back, no, there was no mining.
There was no mining at
in
all.
Achimoda
Whether small scale or large
there was
scale.
nothing in Achimoda constituency
Until the last 10 months.
until the last 10 months. And you know, me kai wonu say mining na shase wo ho no. Aye ayemsese. Enti be fiase e di hu nkomo. E dey be bia menya opportunity bia no. Na me ka say yen hwe de ekoso wachem da. Cause na me ka tro say edura no pa. Mrantie a enamoda kuromu ekura mo fra bibi say jigo say dey.
Okay.
Ne e dey bo Galamsey ni ade no. Omu kura e dey nam kuro no to say kwala dey school bag eco school. What's all called be Krobia as well, and opa Akwalabia school back door. Sadam Rantia no aye. There's a beefy mere bin money ade. 80 said to me, a yama a buying penny for say, one will bet me a chick woman. Nano, Sa local government committee yaso. And now a Boakwa South MC by.
Yeah.
Many know these I was one. A PA say, one no say with two the party chairman, the ba. Eso sa e wo Galamsey adwuma nim enwachi me ka say am say beti say wo ka say enso wa e ma na enso wa cause ya bo aba so we to sa na mo no but as the head of the municipal security council e was wo hwe say sa dipa de be che no near prosecute no so want to be your prosecutor no for Galamsey eti wan kasa wa gia to mu say o party chairman ba no all year no na e Galamsey no e ho da was say ye attention eko. And so Akawa, but for me, I'll pursue that. And
also a general si bonne.
Said they
was what one cassa.
Said they
so one cassa the chairman ba a Galamsey.
Maintain that aspect. Because men I'm to no. And at your car, no, there were videos so.
Yeah.
It's in saying me who another network, and I'm sending text to say that Bain. And they be na nipa no identified no ya prosecute no wo de yen tag and say party chairman but nipa no a to so no na ye say ye bo wabaso no that be no no say the matter is going up. See where up no I want to pursue that. Enti and there me ankasa be feature the apie we say me MCE or JJ sika efi Galamsey yes ho na otutu excavators you can say womo control board ni ade a na watu 15,000 we jama excavators a edi yenya ewo galamsey adwuma we no mo ye chia ye mfa mawu ye chia ye mfa ma enura me hwe ni land over that point
yeah
wo ka se enka galamsey excavators a ye chichechi ni ade ye mfa na josuo
trip yeah
nanka onfa nka ho na onfa nya adwuma it ye den na watch obi de watch nkrofo de a wonim se galamsey de pa na fei kwan bi so no wa jisika do agya wo mo na akoye asebada because me tie story na I'm starting your audios bi
okay
na utie audio no enyan I am calling on the government presidential staff and the way masa monhwe na ye wo monhwehwe mayen na enyesa egu maba ne ho fi I can't say I trust the president so much but you see the determination so be cause ade no a it was that same determination na nado ewo but nipa etwa ne ho ahia nipa ba ko pe obeye den enuti na bi ka say sa you can say state of emergency yeah declare that gives some form of authority be
okay
because we share presidential staffer na what the original have me so be back be see declare state of emergency
I doubt obe back
I mean I don't understand what the state of emergency.
No penu. What is state of emergency?
What is it? That's not what Google.
State of emergency no.
Okay,
me blame do. Unim say enye mining in semi ya ba ya ti use force and declare we ya ba mani ade a na kan kofo bebe nim what is involving state of emergency. It ye ya pen so ye can see and declare no. Some few months to elections no. It was uncalled for. Because elections is a major activity of the country. It's a Baba declare state of emergency. Okay. International community almost state of emergency. I say, Ebeka say, yeah, declare near the cover up the elections. That is the reason we could not.
Okay.
It is a name of Babemu. Nasa Adiano, Dianya is deepening. One of the easier things I'll bet you can say no effect.
Sure.
And they are former 9 months over year, Juma. 9 months, so they move from one point to the other. Sasa mi aba oda yedi hu nkomo yi omo fiase ye kasa na omo conference say MC ni gi omo sika no omo problem na ne say after ya job sika nyina no na must akoshe omo niema na na must koshe omo niema no there are some other galamsey sites ho de yanko it as a discrimination bi abem
ya jim sika ya sabe
shebe niema
ya ji okwabere sika de yanko hye ne
dabi some of these people happen to be party people.
NDC.
It will be so say, and then I cost you. Mu president Mabo. Any senior, what we are to say, what person of Shedder, Sadia widow, ending in ya. And yet, a bay, the president called the bedding and young. Galam say it affects everybody.
Okay. No pen. Well, some few minutes.
You say, yeah. The word galamsey has become known to everything mining. BTA, Mibre, you say, Nkofukita, shovel, you say.
I don't such for.
Nkofunu, Omu one urim nas Omu to a good year. Omu saying you. And I said, they are not causing any distraction to the forest.
Okay.
Those with the bulldozer is where the problem is. As MP, what is his level of counterintelligence to know how many excavators moved to his constituency the last 3 months?
Okay.
Ni man for no makache na. Into man for no two so abano. They are involved in and complicit in the illegal mining. Into no muhun galamsey be ra forest maybe omo ti no mu yekum. Are you getting me?
Okay.
So he must activate his intelligence. Because also 10 months and he had destroyed this level of forester, then also a contribution at FM.
Okay.
And then I go to the DC. Mpensenpensenmu, I think the BNI regional director and district director of Eastern Region and Achimota must be ready to submit a report on what happened while those forests have been depleted.
The last 10 months.
That 10 months. Because you see a BNI near and NIB near and you grow before you be district manager, district director, no, and you grow. Meaning say intelligence level no esun. You know the cover of where they are placing you, and you must have every information. Timu tiho, police commander, mu nyina mu tiho. Na excavator timi ra district no, na cause this kind of devastation. Na some confuse and post without producing a paper of report. How effective are they? Then you come to the political head. Sure, maybe I don't know. Omo ya appointment no. Omo nimbri. Say one amudi to districts no omunfin ni omo adwemu ndo. To be able to be on the job. Na mo ye hwe han a enugwase na ebeka yan nyina.
Okay.
Me, I won't support or I won't shield any DCE that lives in a district, and when a disaster happens, I wasn't aware, or yes, I comment now. Within seconds, he must fly out of the window.
Sadis,
you don't have idea. Intina, only see what we're saying, regional mutu railway nation. Regional minister, Madame Fupa. When he made a comment, me friend, I said, "Oh, why lucky say, Rollins, Gao, your friend will be SW1 News, 1 o'clock.
SW1 News,
1 o'clock.
Obi
at them, if I said then the news, no, because when you say it's
yeah.
Disaster, see, now, don't even visit the site and use camera and be showing, say, who expected them? I hate politics of, say, I didn't see her. Nothing have a camera via their inspection.
But I say, Anthony,
President Mahama must act on this kind of attitude.
Okay.
Now, all can say be, or can say, why luck is a Rollins? I can now see the fire in Tony.
But did you question the second call from a member of Parliament, Madishewo, Ashmoda constituency in the Eastern region? Anthony Dupeni, a great Accra region organizer, NDC Abayoko. Or should I offer Edema on Belgium? Because I share Adom TV.